So today I want to share with you about the third eye chakra, about Ajna chakra. So if you'd like to know more about working with the chakras in a safe way, check out my chakra course, Chakra Soul Alchemy. It is now open for enrollment. Hi Bliss Babes, hi Wise Women, it's Viv. And my light goes out just the moment I'm going to film the video. Okay, give me one moment. Let's get that back on. Okay. First, I want to thank my channel patrons, and their names will show at the end of the video. Thank you so much for your support of the channel, for being part of that inner circle that keeps everything going. And I want to give you two warnings, and one, I'll link you to another video about this. One I have that talks about how to prepare to work with the chakras and things that you should be doing if you're interested in seriously working with this energy. Watch all the way till the end, because there I will talk a little bit more about how to prepare. But we're just going to dive in now so you can come back and do this meditation whenever you choose to. If possible, you want to be up on a cushion because you want the spine straight. You want the Kundalini energy to be able to flow through the spine. And even if you just think of it on a physical level, just your muscles aligned and all the areas of the body relaxed so that there can be good circulation. Okay, it's really basically the same thing, just different levels of the same conversation. In the West, we talk about the outer circulation, blood, muscles, and so on. And here, drawing from the East, we're talking about the inner circulation of the chi, the prana throughout the body. So you could rest your hands palms up, it doesn't really matter, or you could do Yana Mudra if you'd like, thumb and index finger joined. So go ahead and close the eyes, and let's begin. You want to slightly drop your chin down so the back of the neck is long, so you're not dropping your head, but you're slightly dropping the chin, and you will feel a slight pulling at the back of the neck, okay? And you don't want your chin up like this. Your chin is level with the ground. Take several deep breaths in and out. We're going to now just do a preliminary practice. Have the eyes looking forward and then roll them up towards the third eye. So with the eyes closed, you're rolling your eyes up and you're looking towards Ajna chakra between the eyebrows and slightly up. And then relax your eyes again. And then roll the eyes up. They're rotating in, they're pointing in and up towards the third eye. Try to hold. And then relax the eyes again. Let's do one more time. Roll the eyes up, looking towards that brow point. Exhale, relax your eyes. Good. So that is one way to start to practice the third eye meditation, to get yourself ready to focus. With each chakra, you focus at the location of the chakra. Let's continue on. If you'd like to, if that's easy for you, you can try to do that while we do the practice. Otherwise, just have your eyes level. Eyes are closed, but if they were open, you'd be looking straight ahead. Okay, that's a little bit easier. And you could just, with your attention, bring your attention to the brow so you can keep the eyes relaxed. Okay, so that's your choice. Rolling the eyes up is a little harder and more intense. Just keeping them level is a little bit easier. And after taking several deep breaths, your focus now up at the brow point. Just going to repeat the mantra Om. continuing like that. You can repeat that audibly. And then go to a whisper. Wonderful. And just keep your attention there. Keep your attention focused. And then you can eventually go to silent repetition of Om. And continuing with the silent repetition. Let me talk a little bit about preparing for this type of meditation. As I said, there's another video that will pop up at the end of this where you really want to have a good, wholesome, healthy lifestyle. I know wholesome sounds kind of boring, but you do not want to work intensely with the chakras unless your lifestyle is balanced and all the different facets of your lifestyle are in pretty good order. And so watch that video. Do the practice where you focus up and relax your eyes. You could try that just to get used to that. And even that, you may start to feel sensations. It's very common while you're meditating to start to feel sensations in the head and the third eye. So that means the energy is moving up to those chakras. Now the color, the more modern color in the chakra color system that I'm sure you've seen, has this color as an indigo color. But because the third eye, you will begin to see lights and colors, it's better not to hold a color there, just to focus and see what colors begin to appear over time with practice. You will see flashes of colors there if you practice very intensely. And so just let that be. You don't have to hold this idea of a particular color there, okay? Check out my chakra course. It is not just an online course that you work through the lessons and the videos and audio, but you also have live sessions with me where I can answer your questions. It is more interactive. So do check out that. Link is below. I'd love to see you inside. You want to have your hips up and your butt up on a cushion, and then your back is very slightly arched. This is my cushion. My butt is up on the cushion, but you don't sit all the way back. You cross your legs, and then as you sit, your hips slightly tilt, and so your back is basically forced to be straight. And coming up really soon, I'll have a video on why you do not want to open any chakra instantly, whether the third eye chakra or any other. And I'll just let you know right now, the folks who say that are doing what's called clickbait, because many people will click on videos that say, open this or that chakra instantly. Again, subscribe and I will have a video coming up soon about why you do not want to open any chakra instantly. Watch one of these videos next.